sure it is the original copy.
Bull. The autopsy was performed by the local pathologist, Dr. Mchana. However, there were some complaints which led to us being called here to do a repeat. So I'll go straight to my findings. What I found is that the late Kizito had injuries. One injury was on the forehead on the right side. There was one on the anterior neck and on the inner thigh of the left leg. Looking at his injuries, they were penetrating, and they also had some features which included some bruising around them. And to look at them closely, they look like injuries which are caused by something which was penetrating but was not very sharp, was a bit blunt, which is in keeping with a horn of an animal. So from all these findings, we can conclude that indeed the initial autopsy was correct, and it was caused by an animal other than something which has stabbed the person, like what was being alleged that it was a knife or something like that.
I'm glad that Dr. Oduor, the government pathologist, has now announced a closure. And with this, I would like, as I pass my condolences to the family, my community, and the bullfighting fraternity, that we shall move the remains of Moi tomorrow morning in the usual manner, and we shall bury him on Monday at home back in Malinya. Thank you, everybody. Now the member of the family to speak. There was a doctor in our team who was representing the complainants. It's only fair that you hear him. Dr.
Honya, I was representing the complainants, the people who had alleged that there was some sort of foul play. But indeed, I have attended the postmortem, I've written my report, and I concur with what Dr. Johansen Tornodur has stated. It is as he has stated. Thank you.
Mimi nashukuru serikali kuu kukupatia mwelekeo, na tumefuata mwelekeo. Bore mwili toke ndugu yangu aende asikwe. Ni hiyo. Kwa upande wangu mimi kama ndugu ya marehemu, ningechua mtu mwenyewe. Sijachua mtu mwenyewe, serikali bado hajakuambia mtu mwenyewe. Lakini naomba serikali kusaidia, kwa sababu ile karama ambaye yenye tulikuwa program bila tulikuwa tumeanzisha, program imechelewa, tumetumikia pesa nyingi na bado tunaendelea kutumikia pesa nyingi. Serikali itakusaidie hapo, ile karama yetu tulikuwa tumeenda, ule mwenye alifanya maneno, serikali ndio inaweza kufuatilia, ichue vile hiyo process vile inaweza fuatiliwa.
Alifika.